The Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest on Earth. It covers a territory belonging to 9 nations in South America, includes much of northwest Brazil, Colombia, Peru, Bolivia, French Guiana, Ecuador, Guyana, Suriname, and Venezuela. It is covering an area of 2,300,000 square miles. The name Amazon is said to arise from a war between Spanish explorers and Tapuya tribes that included the women warriors of Tapuya tribe. Then Spanish conquistador Francisco de Orellana derived the name Amazonas from the Amazons, which were a group of female warriors and hunters of Greek mythology. The Amazon rainforest is the lungs of the world. It plays an important part in regulating the world's oxygen and carbon cycles. It produces roughly 6% of the world's oxygen and has long been thought to act as a carbon sink, meaning it readily absorbs large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The temperatures of the Amazon rainforest can reach highs of up to 91 degrees Fahrenheit and sometimes drop to as low as 71 degrees Fahrenheit at night. The Amazon is home to 2.5 million species of insects, tens of thousands of plants, and some 2,000 birds and mammals. More than half the species in the Amazon rainforest are thought to live in the canopy. Amazon also contains several species that can pose a hazard. Among the largest predatory creatures are the anaconda, jaguar, cougar, and black caiman. Amazon covers most of the Amazon basin, which is drained by Amazon River and its tributaries. It is the largest river in the world by discharge volume of water. It is 6,436 kilometers in length. The majority of the Amazon River has a depth of around 20 to 50 meters, but this plunges to around 100 meters at its deepest points. The Amazon is one giant rainforest, so it is not surprising that there are dramatic waterfalls throughout the region, particularly during the wet season. The contrast of cascading water, rocky outcrops, and tropical greenery make Amazonian waterfalls a visual treat. The Amazon is the most biodiverse terrestrial place on the planet. The outstanding biodiversity in the Amazon isn't only important for the natural ecosystems, it also provides many benefits to us humans. 70% of South America's GDP is produced in areas that receive rainfall or water from the Amazon. More than 30 million people of 350 different ethnic groups live in the Amazon. These are subdivided into 9 different national political systems and 3,344 formally acknowledged indigenous territories. Climate change may have a significant impact on the Amazon. Of particular concern is the link between sea temperatures in the tropical Atlantic and drought in the Amazon. As the tropical Atlantic warms, the large parts of the Amazon may see higher temperatures and less rainfall. The changes could have cascading effects on the region's ecosystem, killing trees and leaving forests more vulnerable to fire. The Amazon is getting closer to its tripping point, when it will no longer be able to generate its own rainfall and support its rainforest ecosystem. One of the best ways to protect forests like the Amazon so that wildlife thrive is to reduce your use of fossil fuels and your impact on the planet. The less fossil fuels used, the less impact climate change will have on the Amazon and other important natural areas.